We are inside the Order Manager screen. This is where you can see all of your FBA and FBM orders. You can filter by order ID, date range, or pick which time frame you want to look at. You can also filter by looking at promotions, refunds, order statuses, emails opened, etc. You can also filter by email campaigns. And if it is for a specific ASIN or SKU, please click this drop down and click search for that criteria. Each individual line will tell you the type of order, order ID, and the product details. If you click on the order ID, it will take you into Amazon Seller Central. This green truck icon will display the shipping status for this order. This digital alarm clock has a shipping promotion discount of $3. Anytime you see the yellow dollar sign, that refers to shipping discount. If you see the blue dollar sign, that refers to item discount. If you want to see which emails have been sent, you can click on this blue envelope icon right here, and it will display which template and campaign was sent and the date that it was sent and time. You can also see if it has an open date right here. The emails that have been queued are going to be in this queued icon, and if you click on here, it will show you all of the campaigns and templates that are queued to send out and the scheduled send date for these campaigns and templates. You can also add internal notes to help keep tabs on particular orders. These blank boxes next to each order, you can select how many you need, and some of the actions you can take are to send email, mark do not solicit for order or buyer, and that will override any email campaign tied to this buyer or order, and you can always simply remove it by clicking on remove do not solicit for buyer or order. And if you wanted to send a custom email, you can just click send email and it will prompt you to send a one-time email now manually. That's everything you can do inside the Order Manager screen to monitor and keep tabs on all of your orders. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for more information, please visit FeedbackWhiz.com.